Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, I am showing how can we solve write protection issue from Pendrive. Here I have 32 GB write protected pendrive. In write protected pendrive you cannot add, delete content. Let's solve this issue. First of all, open command prompt and then type disk path. A new window will open. Type list disk and press enter. This will show all available disks. Select your disk which is write protected. Type attribute disk clear read only. This command clear the write protection from pendrive. You can see the write protection is cleared successfully. This is not the only method to remove and set write protected property. If you have pendrive with NTFS file system, you can easily set these things from security option of the property. Let's check how. Click on edit button and you can simply uncheck the write and click apply to set write protection and check it to remove it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.